Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it because the Xiaomi device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply sliding to the left to the end. Here we are in the slow motion. We can start recording this video by using this big red button at the center. We can also change the speed of the slow motion by going here to the center. Also, we can pick from 120 fps, and by tapping on this we can change it to 240 fps. So this is how it changes. For now let me stay for example on 120 fps and let me start recording to show you how it looks like. And stop. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this icon we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our video, so we can play it by just tapping on the center here. And this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.